Do you wish you could quit teaching and start working from home so you could spend more time with your babies? Are you tired of scouring the internet for legit jobs that will replace your teaching income and that you can do from home in your PJs? Hey mama, welcome to Ditch the Classroom. I know you're over there Googling jobs for teachers, legit work at home jobs, or start a side hustle, yet you can't figure out how to take that first step toward quitting teaching. So instead, you stay stuck, do nothing, or start random side hustles to make quick money. Virtual assistance is the answered prayer you've been waiting for. My name's Ariana, and I'm a former teacher turned work-at-home mom who replaced my teaching income as a virtual assistant in just 6 months. I did this by taking a step of faith and following the dream that God placed on my heart to be home with my babies. Sister, your dreams pale in comparison to God's dreams for you. Imagine offering services that light you up and having a job that works around your life and not the other way around. This is the podcast for you. It's time to take that first step out of teaching. Are you ready? Here we go. One of the biggest hesitations that I hear from teachers who want to quit teaching is that they feel guilty for abandoning their students. But for those of you that are feeling like that, I want to ask you, how would you feel if you could serve even more children than just one classroom each year? My tip for you when you're starting your virtual assistant business, I always recommend that you niche down into a certain type of business that you're serving. I recommend picking a niche that directly or indirectly serves children. I have 3 popular industries to share with you that you can work with that serves children in some way. So number 1 is teacher-owned businesses. So obviously they're still going to be serving students, and so you can then serve secondarily through them. But I would recommend that you just be careful of the budget for some teacher-owned businesses because, as you know, teachers don't make a whole lot of income. And so my tip is that you need to find teacher-owned businesses that have been around for a while, and so they have hopefully a bigger business and higher income. If they're just a teacher-owned business starting out, they probably don't have the money to be investing into services right now. And so you're better off working with teacher-owned businesses that have been established for probably at least a year. The second industry that you can work with that serves children is educational technology companies or ed tech companies. And these serve thousands of students. There are tons of roles out there that you can serve in for these companies. Highly recommend checking them out. You can just Google to find these. And I think you can also find a lot of them on LinkedIn as well. Okay. And then my third one I have for you is serving businesses for moms. So this one, you're not serving a business that is directly impacting students, but indirectly impacting them. So you could serve clients like parent coaches, you could serve people who offer like birth courses, things like that, where their products are serving moms, and then that will indirectly serve the students. Okay, so I hope this was helpful for y'all, giving you just kind of a glimpse into how you can still impact children with your virtual assistant business. It is still possible, and I know that guilt can really hold you back. So just know that you can still impact children's lives by doing this. Also, if you haven't had the opportunity yet, I do invite you to go check out our free workshop to see if this virtual assistant world is even a good fit for you. In the workshop, I'm covering what it takes to become a virtual assistant, what services you can offer. There are seriously so many, and I want to help you pick services that light you up, that you want to do every single day. I'm also going to teach you where to find paying clients so you can replace your income faster and start working from home with your babies sooner. And I'm going to teach you the 3 mistakes that new virtual assistants make and how you can avoid those. So go get registered for that. That's at arianavernier.com/virtual-assistant-workshop. Again, that's arianavernier.com/virtual-assistant-workshop. Or you can go find the link in the show notes. All right, y'all, I hope this was helpful. I love serving you on these podcasts. So if you have any topics you would like me to cover, come and let us know in our Facebook community, and we will see you next time. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd love to bless you with a free gift as a thank you. All you have to do is leave a review of the show on Apple Podcasts, take a screenshot, and send it to podcast@ditchtheclassroom.com. I'll send you a code so you can snag my Ditch the Classroom toolkit for free. And don't forget to come hang out with us in our free community, facebook.com/groups/Ditch the Classroom. I'm so honored to support you in your journey to becoming a virtual assistant. Until next week, y'all, keep following the dreams that were placed on your heart so you too can ditch the classroom.